Hey, boys and girls, it's Miss Deanie here again, going over some more subtracting mixed numbers when when we do have to regroup and rename them. I think we're going to practice this a little bit more today. So if you would like to follow along in your book, it is on page 431. I'm going to be doing numbers 1 through 4. If not, have your notebook nearby. All right, here we go. So the first one, let's see. Oh, I forgot to erase. Okay, so the first one is 3 3/6. 3 3/6 minus 1 4/6. Now, it looks like they want you to rename both of these in your math book. If you did not want to, if you like the other way, that's fine. I'm going to rename both. So I'm going to change my mixed number to a fraction greater than 1. So remember, in order to do that, we have to do 6 times 3, which is 18, good, plus 3 more, so which is 21. So we have 21/6, and then we have 6 times 1 is 6, and then plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10/6 there. Okay, and then we would just subtract 21 minus 10. So that would be 11/6. Okay, and you could change it back to a mixed number if you wanted to. So that would be 11 divided by 6 would go in one whole time with, so 6, and then remainder is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5. So 5/6. Okay. I think doing it with changing it over to improper fractions will be easiest for most of us. Okay. All right, let's try another. So now I'm going on to number 2 in your book. So it's 1 1/3 minus 2/3. Okay. Now, for this one, let's do the other way. So if I had 1 whole, that's the same as 3/3, right? Plus 1/3. And 3/3 plus 1/3 is 4/3. And then we would just subtract it from 2/3. 4/3 minus 2/3 is 2/3. Okay, so again, if you like it this way, this 3/3 is this 1 whole, and then we have our other 1/3, and then we just added them to get our 4/3. Okay, if you don't want to do that way, you could think, okay, well, 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4, and that's how you would get the 4/3 there too. Okay, all right. Next one. 4 7/10 minus 1 9/10. Okay, so I think for the most part we enjoy making them both improper fractions. So 10 times 4 is 40, plus 7, 47/10. And then 10 times 1 is 10, plus 9, 19/10. Okay, and then we can subtract it. I'm going to have to regroup this too, though. 47 minus 19, and we're still talking tenths. That's why I'm really just looking at my numerators. 7 minus 9 I can't do. So 4 becomes 3, and we're going to regroup. 17. 17 minus 9 is 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Okay, and then 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 28/10. Or we could change that 28 divided by 10. Well, I could do, oops, I can't see it. 28 divided by 10. I could do 10 times 2 will get me 20 with a remainder of 8. So I could have 2 wholes and 8/10. Okay? Let's try one more. Remember, you should be following along and you should be pausing it as I go. 3 5/12 minus 8/12. Okay. So we could think 3 times 12 is 36, and then 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Remember, it's multiply and then add the numerator. So 41/12 and 8/12 I'm just going to keep because I can't change that. And we'll subtract 41 minus 8. And then that becomes a 3. And this becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 2. And 30, so 32. And then we can do 32 divided by 12. And that would be 2 wholes, 24, and then 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, with a remainder of 8, or 2 wholes, 8/12. I just realized I made a mistake. And I'm sure you guys noticed it already. 11 minus 8, I said it was 2. It's not, it's 3. Whoops. So this will change. And let's get that right answer then. So still going to be 2 wholes, but it would be with a remainder of 9. So it would be 2 9/12. Okay? All right, guys. Try today's lesson, please, in the Google form. Make sure if you're really still not understanding this, say that to me so that we can set up a time and chat. Okay? All right. I will see you guys later. All right.